In this video, I'm going to share to you a product that um, could promote weight loss and at the same time promote a better build of muscle. So watch, let's start. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button in the lower part of the video and also click the notification bell to always be updated with my upcoming contents. Okay, so I'll be going straight to the product that I'm going to share to you. So here's the product. Okay, it also has a benefit for weight loss program at the same time. You will have much more leaner muscles. So the product is Burn Meal Replacement Shake. So it's a cookies and cream. You can either drink it with hot water, dissolve it, or you could shake it, make it to a shake form. Okay, when you work out. So based from the product itself, okay, so it's a meal replacement shake. So meaning it will because if you take one sachet of this, okay, it replaces your full meal within the day, so that you will no longer eat heavier meals. Okay, so here are the key ingredients. So I will not go one by one. So I'll focus on a few. So it has satire. So that satire is a wellness technology that you will feel full. Okay, you're not having any cravings to eat a lot. Okay, so that's the main focus of satire. Okay? And also it contains the main ingredient called Garcinia cambogia extract. So Garcinia cambogia extract complements with the other component of the meal replacement shake, so that you'll feel full, okay, and also you will no longer have any more cravings. Okay, so this will be your replacement full meal for your regular meal. Okay, so you just drink one meal replacement shake, okay, and you'll be good. Okay, you will be good for the rest of the day. So with the component itself, so it's high in amino acid and as well as very high in enzyme fiber, so that you will have a smoother digestion. So the meal replacement shake is low calorie, so it improves again the digestion. Okay, speed up the weight loss of the body. It reduces high blood pressure. Okay, so it completely replaces one full course meal that you have in a day. So you just need one sachet and you'll be good to go. Okay. So actually that's the main key benefit of meal replacement shake. So it replaces your full course meal, and also with the additional benefit of a high fibrous diet and also a high protein shake itself. Okay, so you'll reduce weight, eliminate your cravings, and at the same time, okay, and have a much more healthier body. So again, so that wraps up the video for today. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and also help my channel by clicking the subscribe button and enable the notification bell, so that you will be always be updated with my content. So again, for the next video,